My dear brother Justice Kanvilkar and brother Justice Ramasubramaniam, Honorable President Mr. Vikas Singh, and Mr. Solicitor General, Vice President Mr. Rai, Secretary Mr. Prasad, Executive Committee members of the Supreme Court Bar Association, dear bar members, ladies and gentlemen, and the registrars of the Supreme Court. Today is a very happy and historic day, country's history. Apart from the celebrating of this Independence Day, this is an occasion for all of us to rethink and review of our policies and what we have achieved, what we have to achieve our future days. 75 years is not a small period in a country's history, but at the same time, we have to look into the vast population and geographical conditions of this country. Particularly when independence was, we got independence in 1947. I still remember, I think I am aged around 10 years. Those days when we go to school, the celebration, they used to give some jaggery, piece of jaggery and marmora and flag, small flag. So we used to enjoy. We feel it's a proud moment. Lot of things, a lot of development has taken place after that. Now, that small things which we used to give in the school days, we used to feel very happy and we used to feel proud of the event. Even though today we have so many facilities and we are getting so much of things, also we are not happy. The reason is, I think our saturation levels are reached to bottom. And but at the same time, most importantly, only one issue I want to mention to you. I don't want to give a long bhashan. We have seen in the independence struggle, the struggle was led by all lawyers. You take any national level leader, freedom fighter, from Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel, Nehru, anybody, Babu Rajendra Prasad, all are from legal community, legal luminaries. They have not only sacrificed their profession, they have sacrificed their properties, everything, family, everything. And they led the movement and given this independence, got the independence, given it to the country. And if you take into consideration of first members of the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha or different houses of the states are all filled with the lawyers, lawyer community. Unfortunately, over a period of time, you know what is happening in the houses, that is the legislation, either in Parliament, Rajya Sabha or any other houses. If you see the debates which used to take place in the houses those days, is very, very wise, constructive, and they used to debate any legislation which they are making. I have seen debates which has taken place about Industrial Dispute Act, some amendments and all that. A member of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Ramurthy, a CPM leader, that he used to discuss so elaborately what are the consequences if you make these amendments in the Industrial Dispute Act, how it affects the working class. Same way, different laws used to be discussed and deliberated. So the burden of the courts while interpreting or implementing the law is less. So we had a clear picture what the legislature thought, what they want to tell us, why they are making such a legislation. Now, sorry state of affairs, we see the legislations, lot of gaps, lot of ambiguity in making laws. There is no clarity in laws. We don't know what purpose the laws are meaning, which is creating lot of litigation, inconvenience and loss to the government as well as inconvenience to the public. This is what happens if intellectuals and professionals like lawyers are not there in the houses. I don't want to say more than this. It is the time legal community, lawyers has to lead, law to participate actively in the social life, public life. Don't confine yourself to say to your profession, earning money and living comfortably. Please think over, and you must also actively participate in public life. Do some good service, and I hope and expect good days will come to the country, and you will contribute your knowledge, your wisdom, your experience to this country, and people will feel happy. And it's a great movement, and I feel very happy. And this year, because of the 75 years we have completed, in legal field also we did so much. The Supreme Court has thought and given more than what the Constitution thought of. Not only by interpreting the Constitution, by expanding the scope, providing rights to the people, taking into consideration of the problems of the citizens of this country. And it's a very active role this Honorable Court has taken, and I hope and expect that we will contribute something more. And we have given one of the wonderful services, the Indian Legal Service Authority Act. We are completed in 25 years of Indian Legal Service Authority Act, which is providing legal aid to the country. In the world, nowhere in the country, no country had 75% of its population get free legal aid. Of course, there are some small issues about the quality and all that. Now we have taken care of that also. So you all participate in legal aid movement, in public life. I wish you all success. And I think this year, most probably November 26th and 27th, we may have 2 days seminar and workshops on the day of Constitutional Day in a big way. So we can do some workshop and organize some seminars and all that. You all participate actively. And I thank you once again giving this opportunity. I wish you all a very happy and wishful Independence Day. Thank you very much.